Dude, if we get anything. We didn't plant hardly anything. Not bad. Rotten ones. Oh, well, not too bad here. Not sure exactly. See if I can't get something else. Can't find my hole. Pretty small. Well, the way things is hidden, we'll probably all be planting our own food. I seen a report. 1 in 3 Canadians visit the food bank or something. Oh, just imagine. Huh? Wow. Well, we definitely need a change. That's for sure. My heart really do go out to people that has legitimate, there's people that's hardworking, got a job, goes to work every day, and still can't make ends meet. They don't waste their money. They're not into drugs. And forced to go to the food bank because they can't pay their mortgage and put food on the table at the same time. So hard to find. Little tiny ones. With the rake, I find that when you hit some, you kind of cut them in two and stuff. I can't find my hole. So I'll just use a blunt stick. You can go through the same Same spot 1,000 times and still find some. Casey Point. Don't take the dirt off of them, guys. If you haven't really planted anything, don't take the dirt off of your potatoes until you're ready to use them. They will last a lot longer. So, get as many as we can, I suppose. I didn't think we was going to get any of this stuff. But we got some. I don't know, 30 potatoes, I'd say. That's $1,000 worth. Or it will be soon enough. Above ground is okay, but it's easier than when I was a kid. Trying to get them all ahead of the ground. So, like I said, go over the same spot 1,000 times and still find potatoes. Oh, it's really clammy. We had a lot of rain from that hurricane. So we're starting on the other side. Boy, that ground is so cold. Freezing. Well, I thought I felt one there, yep. I can't see too many more. Might get a couple. Oh yeah. Must have dropped a sea packet all in one spot. I know this is exciting for you guys. Watch a fat guy rummage around and in the dirt. God, I found a big one. Just like fishing. Just like fishing. Just gotta get that right spot. I don't think I got any fear of tearing up the potatoes now. Might be some there. Might be. Yeah, I caught me on trap. Mother. Oh. I got caught in my own trap. Blood of a bitch. That's it. I didn't expect that anyway. Didn't expect that anyway. Do any of you guys have to look into growing your own food? Because of the situation we're in. That's what we got. Not bad at all. Anyway, guys, I thought that, man, just froze. I thought that I would videotape that anyway, just for the fun of it. But guys, I'm not joking. A lot of people, even in this province, they're saying, I seen there in Parliament, she got up and said that next year, is going to be another 30% increase in people using the food bank in this province. When I was digging this up, I was, it reminds me that seems to be a lot of people suffering. Insurance, a lot of people drive without insurance around here because you can't afford it. Anyway, guys, I don't want to ramble on, but hopefully I got a couple minute video for you. Just not that as excited watching me try and find some potatoes, but anywho, see you on the next one.